Engagement rings and rocky relationships. The combination has proved to be a legal gray area when couples agree to split but don't agree on who should keep the rock. A new ruling in Massachusetts now clarifies that. It's after a man bought his bride-to-be a $70,000 engagement ring only to discover she was cheating on him. Joining me now is Chief Legal Analyst Khalif Rhodes. Khalif, we're going to blow past the $70,000 mark because we don't have time to dive into that. But these engagement rings are sometimes known as conditional gifts, and it sounds like that kind of played into the judge's decision.
100%. I mean, this is law school exam stuff. I laughed when I first saw this because it took me back to being in law school. These are the type of questions they try to trick new attorneys up on. And so they have these heart bomb type of laws that were a big thing in the early 40s and 50s, where, loss of consortiumship, loss of companionship, these lawsuits that folks would bring against another person. And these kind of followed the trend. And so since the 60s in this state, they followed that same thought process that if there was some type of engagement and the ring was given, that the only way you can get it back is if you were not at fault. Most states did away with that, with the women empowerment movements in the 80s and the 90s, that, if there was some condition based on, look, this is in a contract, I'm giving you this gift, and the only way that I'm giving you this gift if you follow through with the marriage. And
which you agreed to, yes.
Which you agreed to. And so because you failed to follow through on the marriage, I am asking for that gift that was conditioned back. That state at the time did not agree with it. They've overturned that today, and that was the judge's rationale, that we're throwing away the old thought process and that we're looking at, look, we only got into this agreement because I wanted to have a marriage with you. So I wasn't giving you this $70,000 ring because I thought that you were a nice person. This was, and even if you could go to the old rationale, the person stated that I believe that my wife was cheating on me. Found text message that she was cheating on him, that he thought, and so he called the wedding off. She says it was a friend, and that's how we got here to court. If you look at the process, the lower court agreed with her and said she could keep the ring. He had to sue again to a court of appeals, and the court of appeals said, you know what, you can have your ring back. She sued again, and we got to the Supreme Court. A lot of money. Obviously, these folks have a lot of money because you're plopping down $70,000 on a rock.
Well, and then at the end of the day, as an attorney, you know that those fees start to rack up.
They start to rack up, and you're not getting attorney fees because it's not a frivolous claim. And so both of those folks are paying for this, and they didn't get married. They probably could have just got married and saved the legal fees, because what they paid in attorney fees probably would have covered a nice wedding and a honeymoon.
So North Carolina the same way then? The guys getting the ring back?
They are, for sure.
Okay.
We're in that same process. It's clear that it's a conditional gift. And so I'm not sure why it took them so long to do it in their state. But at the end of the day, it makes sense. I mean, but I could see some law students probably having this on their next exam, and easily one that you could trick folks up on.
All right, don't get tricked by the questions in law school or the person you're dating. Check all the boxes before you give over the ring.
You better be 100% certain.
Exactly, especially at $70,000. All right, thanks, Khalif.